Alright, sprinters, you want to get rid of your air conditioning problem? Go on over here to the side. There's a little plunger. It's activated when you push the button. Of course, it's got the 5 or 10 minute release, which opens it up. Which means you're pulling outdoor air into your fan. Which, in fact, really ought to have a filter on it because it's getting your stuff dirty on the inside. You can take that plunger right there, tie a wire around it, go back inside, push your button, let's go back around, she's closed. Alright, I'm taking this, I'm running that loop through there, I'm coming around the bottom, coming around the top. And I'm going to wire it back in again right over here to the left, which is going to permanently leave my valve closed. Who cares about outdoor air? If I want outdoor air, I'll open my vent, my windows. Turning it off. Bingo! Solved the problem of the 100-degree temperature. Outdoor air, not cooling. Now we're circulating indoor air 24 hours a day. If I want it cracked, I'll just stick me something in there. If I want a little outdoor air, and put me a filter over right here. A window unit filter I can roll up. Now I got to find my evaporator coil so I can clean it. That's another problem. Guarantee there's no filter on it. Alright guys, that's how you bypass your time right there. Or you can add voltage to that wire 24 when you crank the truck. It's easier not to. Alright, good luck guys. Easy way to bypass it in less than 5 minutes.